musculoskeletal system. So before that, before entering the room of the patient, we should knock first and ask for permission to enter the room. After entering the room, you should greet the patient and introduce yourself before explaining the procedure to the patient.
Good morning, sir. My name is Eric H. Mahinay, and I'll be your nurse this morning. So, for today's procedure, sir, I'll be checking your muscle system or muscular system po. So, is it okay for you, sir? I'll be touching some parts of your body. Okay, so thank you.
So after that, we should provide privacy for the patient, and then we should proceed to the hand hygiene and, if necessary, to put on gloves. After that, before inspecting the patient, we should ask the patient for his history of muscle pain.
Karon, sir, mag-start na ko, sir, and mag-ask ako ng question for our background. So, sir, napa kay mga muscle pain sa inyong body?
Wala.
Joint pain?
Wala.
Naba kay history about sa kanang surgery regarding sa imong muscles, joints?
Wala pa.
Okay, so, sir, mag-proceed na ako sa imong inspection, sir, ha?
Sure.
So after inspecting, we should proceed for the further procedure. So first of it is the palpitate for sternocleidomastoid.
So, sir, ako sa i-check imong liog, sir, ha? Like, mga muscles sa imong liog and also sa your face. So, palpate ako, sir, ha? Sir, say nakuha dyan din ito. Okay, sir. Yes. Tayo uling dito, sir. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, yes. Thank you.
So after that, we should proceed for the trapezoid and deltoid.
So, sir, touch na kayo yung shoulder, sir. No, sir. I-release na siya. So, i-up naman, sir. Balik. Down. I-up. Down. Okay, so thank you, sir.
So after that, we should proceed to the bicep and tricep.
So, sir, this time, sir, I'm going to touch your arm and hand. So, siya ipalpate, sir. Siya yung muscles or discoloration, sir. Yes, sir. This time, sir, try to flex, like, do it like this. Okay? Itas. Okay. So, down like that, sir. By doing that, sir, pamusod, sir, i-kwansa siya. I-kwansa siya. Go. Okay, itas. Go. Okay. Then, next, sir, is try to extend your arm, like forward. Go. Itas. Okay, this arm, so try to extend, sir. Okay. Next.
After that, we should assess the wrist and finger muscle and grip strength.
Yes, sir, touch na kayo makamot, sir, ha? Yes, sir. So, try to do it like this, sir. Close open, tikas. Yeah, just a little. Then, yeah. So, didikit siya, sir. Then, try to open. Tikas. Down. Then, try to open, sir. I-try your doesn't feel, sir. Okay, tikas. Okay. So, next, sir, is sa side na to siya, i-flex. Okay. Balik. Tikas, sir. Okay, so i-try siya on sa tikas. Go. Okay, then i-try siya on 1, sir. Go. Go. Okay, so balik kasi. Kasi
Hindi po ate.
because okay.
Hindi mo reach.
Very sa akin to sir. Okay, because
After that, doing the hip muscle and hip abduction and adduction, we should proceed for the hamstring and quadricep.
so sir, itaas natin yung mga kapatid sir ha. Then i-up din natin sir. Go. Go. Okay, then i-try yan siya all pataas. So, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ate, itali mo siya tapos.
Isa ka. I-stay siya sa taas. Kaya yung pangusog siya i-down. Okay. Stay.
So after that, we should proceed now for the muscle of the ankles and feet.
Sir, ako i-touch yung tingin sir ha.
Hindi po.
So try to flex it. Ipataas siya sir. Ipataas. I-flex. Ando kasi. Go. Dali. Flex. Extend. Ipagawas na siya sir. Ipagawas. And ipasulod siya. Okay. So, kung siya pugan sir ha, try to flex your 1, 2, 3. Balik. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, try to extend it sir. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Try siya ipakilid sa 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Tikas. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
After that, we should put the patient in a sitting position so we can check for the bones and joints, inspecting for edema or tenderness for the bones, and then checking for the joints for tenderness and smoothness of the muscles. We should ask the client to move some parts of her body so we can check if there is abnormalities, and then we should proceed for documentation.
So sir, dito lang na sir ha. Check lang ako imong feet sir ha for edema. Some request sir like tindog ka and then remove in some parts of your body. Ang taas mo. And then circle. Okay, then try to flex and extend and do this like this sir. And then for your hips sir, and then do this. Other side. Okay, then for your feet sir, do this. Other side. And okay, other side. Okay, so that's it. Procedure.
After assessing the procedure, we should first document the findings, and after assessing the procedure and document the findings of the patient, we should doffing the gloves and then proceed for the hand hygiene. And also, after that, you should tell the patient for his findings.
So based on our observations sir, sa imong muscles and joints regarding sa imong body is walay problems kaayo, and then so far so good siya sir.
The assessing of musculoskeletal system.